Hello, this is Habib Medicine here to inform you on the 30-day diet regimen with the weight loss patch as a guide. This weight loss regimen is guaranteed for you to lose 20 pounds by a month, depending how hard you are willing to work. So first of all, energy comes from the food we eat. Our bodies digest the food by mixing it with fluids, acids, enzymes in the stomach. However, our body needs insulin in order to use or store glucose for energy. So first of all, ATP is created through a complex enzyme-driven process. There are a couple of ways this works in the cell. So what we're main focusing on is glycolysis. So glycolysis is when glucose is broken up into two subunits called the pyruvate, and it creates 2 units of ATP per molecule of glucose. So this happens in the cytoplasm in both animal and plant cells. To begin, so with intermittent fasting, it's a great diet to help target fat storage cells. So you may ask, how does it work? So the 16 to 8 method, so 8-hour method, involves daily fasts of 16 hours for men and around 14 to 15 hours for women. Each day, you'll restrict your eating to a 8 to 10 hour eating window where you could fit in 2 or 3 meals to help sustain your body. So with the food you eat, you more likely have to target proteins, not carbs, because to help sustain your bodies and not be lacking anything. So why 14 to 16 hours of fasting? So your body's fat burning ability peaks after you've been fasting for 12 to 14 hours. That's because for the first 12 hours of fasting, your body burns glycogen, which is a molecule that stores sugar. After 12 hours, it starts to burn fat. And that's what we want. We want our body to target the energy and take the energy from the fat storage so we can help lose the fat and lose weight, also increasing our metabolism. So since the body relies on ATP synthase for energy storage, it's going to target the fat and take energy from that instead. So ATP is the most commonly used energy currency of the cells for all organisms. So with ATP and from ADP and phosphate, driven by the flux of protons across a gradient generated by electron transfer from the proton chemically positive to the negative side and muscle, our cells start to break down the glycogen, which is a form of glucose stored in our muscles, in order to produce more ATP. So the process of converting ATP to ADP takes a lot of work and back again because the release of that lactic acid in your body. So if you're in a good shape, your body will be able to efficiently use the oxygen to burn the fat and the glucose. So with the help of the patch, so the patch, you stick it in right here, and it helps increase endurance to So what the patch does, this is a patch that has been concluded to be a very effective weight loss regimen. So what this patch does is it sticks right here on your arm. It's like a nicotine patch, and it fastens the metabolism by increasing the ATP synthase production in the body. So therefore we have more energy to work out, more energy to do things, and with fasting, it kind of goes together so your body's not lacking anything. So this patch increases the cellular respiration, which results in a faster metabolism. So this patch also helps the body use the energy from the fat, and that's what we want with intermittent fasting, and leaves more energy from the ATP production to use for working out and targeting anything else. And then with the patch and the diet regimen, you are guaranteed to lose 20 pounds, and